Greetings, Mark, bro. We're going to be looking at how we can actually add a portrait and a landscape document right in our Microsoft Word. You know, this is a selfish portrait, you want to add a landscape document, just the same. But how is it possible? Right? I want to bring down the cursor all the way down to the bottom. Right here. Let me bring it right all the way down to the bottom. Alright, so notice I have the cursor right down here. Alright, let's go back over that right here. Alright, so the next thing that we wanted to do definitely, you want to bring the cursor right down here. Right, you want to come right here, so it's a page layout. Some of you might have it layout only and all that. Depends on the version. Now when you have it, now you're going to come right here to margin to your left. So you're going to click on word margin. Now you bring up this small little dialog box. You're going to come all the way down. Can you notice? Narrow margin, moderate margin, wide margin. So I want to come right here to a custom margin. Now when you click on custom margin, you bring up this little dialog box. But if you notice, you put the cursor on it. But on the left side, I can actually move it here. You notice it top and bottom. But we want to come all the way down here. So that's it. Apply to all documents. So this little pointer right here, you're going to click on it. Now when you click on it, you notice it says this point forward. You're going to click on that. So now when you click on that, now you're going to come right here. You're going to click on OK. Right? And if you notice right here, add another portrait document right here. So, right. So this time we're going to get landscape. Right. So let me carry it right down here now. Right. So we're going to go back right here. We're going to click on custom. Right. If you notice right here for this section, right, definitely. Right, you're going to click right here. You notice if I click balance here at the top, you're going to come right down here. And then you're going to come right here. This point forward. And when you click on it, you're going to click on OK. Notice when you click on OK, notice right here the document come a landscape right here. Right, and this is if it's portrait. So what if I want a different document? Now what I wanted to do, all right, I want a portrait this time from around. All right, so go back again. I click right here. When I click right here, I go right down here to custom again. All right, I click on portrait. I come right here and click and see this spine forward. Then I click on OK. All right, if you notice right here, we have a portrait. Here we have a landscape. Just the same. All right, so what if we put that in print mode? I'm going to come right here. I can press Control P. Right, and come right here to P. Right, if you notice right up here, all the two documents there. So if I come like this, right, you notice it shows the document landscape right inside here different. Right, very important. Right, you notice, go back to show portrait. Right, so this is how you can actually add landscape and portrait in the same document. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.